Hello, welcome to Start Afresh. There are things which surround us, but we cannot touch it or feel it, but we are highly dependent on them. Without these, life would be very difficult and different. What is it? These are electromagnetic radiations. These waves are spread across the spectrum from very long waves known as radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves to short waves like visible light wave, ultraviolet rays, X rays, and very short gamma rays. This spectrum forms the basis of our modern day technology. Our TV, microwave, remote control, doctor's X ray, all are dependent on these waves. These waves are called as EM waves as they are produced by vibration of charged particles and have electrical and magnetic fields. Electric and magnetic fields travel perpendicular to each other and to the direction of propagation. It travels through the vacuum of space at constant speed of light. Distance between two crests and two troughs is known as wavelength, whereas one crest passed through the same point in 1 second is known as frequency, for which the unit is hertz. Here frequency of this wave is 3 hertz. As we can see, wavelength reduces as frequency increases. Long EM waves have the lowest frequency and carry less energy. If we add energy, it will increase the frequency of wave and make wavelength shorter. Gamma rays are shorter, having highest energy wave in spectrum. Let's see the spectrum in more details. Radio waves. Radio waves have the longest wavelength in EM spectrum. They range from the length of a football field to waves larger than our planet. These are best known for their use in communication technology such as television, mobile phones and radios. Microwaves. Microwaves has the wavelength in the range of 1 m to 1 mm. Microwaves are a band found at the higher frequency end of the radio spectrum, but they are commonly distinguished from radio waves because of the technology used to assess them. They are widely used in modern technology, for example, point to point communication link, wireless network, satellite, and spacecraft communication, and for cooking food in microwave ovens. Also, L band microwaves are used by GPS receiver in our phone and cars. IR waves. We encounter infrared every day, but human eye cannot see it, but we can detect it as heat. A remote control uses these waves to change channels on our TV. Our eyes cannot see these infrared waves, but instruments that can sense infrared energy such as night vision goggles or infrared cameras allow us to see the infrared waves emitting from warm objects such as human and animals. Visible light. All EM radiation is light, but we can only see a small portion of this radiation. The visible light spectrum is the segment of the EM spectrum that the human eye can view. Most simply, this range of wavelength is called as visible light. Typically, human eye can detect wavelength from 400 to 700 nanometer. When light hits an object, say banana, the object absorbs some of the light and reflects the rest of it. Which wavelength are reflected or absorbed depends on the properties of the object. From a ripe banana wavelength of about 570 to 580 nm bounce back. These are the wavelength of yellow light. UV rays. Ultraviolet light has shorter wavelength than visible light. The sun is a source of the full spectrum of UV radiation. UV light has many applications ranging from medical therapy to photography. X-rays. X-rays have much higher energy and much shorter wavelength than ultraviolet light, and scientists usually refer to X-rays in terms of their energy rather than their wavelength. X-rays are type of electromagnetic radiation, probably most well known for their ability to see through a person's skin and reveal images of bones beneath it. Gamma rays. Gamma ray has the smallest wavelength and the most energy of any wave in EM spectrum. Gamma radiation is often used to kill living organisms in a process called irradiation. Application of these include the sterilization of medical equipment, the removal of decay causing bacteria from many foods. Gamma rays are also used to treat some types of cancer since the rays kill cancer cells. Thank you.